Guys, I'm Kaushik, and today our problem statement or our project is to develop an Gen AI powered assistant that automates the material selection process by analyzing application requirement. So over here, I'm gonna start the server by writing UV run lang graph dep. So as you can see, we have our interface. So this is the interface where we have show tools calls, and you can write the query what you need to do. So over here, I needed a lightweight corrosion resistant alloy for 200 degrees Celsius and 50 MPa pressure. So I'm gonna click on it. So what it gonna do? A deep agent. So it's gonna write the to-dos, it's gonna write the task that it need to do to complete this query. So as you can see, it retained the thing and it asking me that is these sources or is this what you really want. So it's asking me again that what are the things I need, what are the boundary condition, what are the requirements I need for this material selection. So I'm gonna paste it. So yeah, I'm gonna paste it for here. And yes, after pasting it, the agent would again write the to-dos. What are the things that it need to do? It's gonna see, you can just see it's writing clarifying requirements, then searching the database, searching the web, writing it, correcting it, doing it every time. So you can get the final answer. As you can see over here, it's gonna do a search query database, search material database that we have already. We have thousands of material database with lot of like chemical formula, their structures. You can see over here. I'm just gonna see, you can just see a chemical formulas, crystal system, density, the material ID, the cis group, thermal expansion per K, thermal expansion sources, and everything. So most of the things we have, and the things we don't have, we're gonna use the web search. Yeah, we're gonna search via web, and that's the best part. And from here, we are going to give reliable sources false or true. So if the source is true, it will have the overall confidence score of that search will be increased. As you can see, we have very reliable sources over here like MatWeb, that ASN MatWeb, that is really known for their material data. So over here you can see the score, you can see the reliable sources, if it's true or not, and the overall confidence score of this web search. After that, this will be done. Like this is a repetitive task. The agent will think it, the agent will perform multiple web search and data search in the database for different material to compare and to give you the best material and to give you a lot of information. So I'm gonna fast forward it, and you can see just how amazing it's doing the search for you. As you can see, it's calling the tools, it's doing the URLs, it's actually learning each steps to perform your thing. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward it. So yeah, here's the thing. So every time it completes some to do, it's gonna update the to do, and it's gonna see that, you can see over here, it's saying that the to do is completed, and you can see it's actually saved a final report file in JSON format that you can use it in anywhere, in any form of chat, GPT, LLM, or anywhere in if you need it. So here's the final thing, that AI has generated for us, and over here you can just see it says first it's give a short summary to us, it tells us what we have actually asked, and then it gives what are the to-dos that it's used to complete this task. After that, it gives us the little bit things about every material, what are the sources that it's used, you can just see the sources and what is the confidence score from these sources. Okay, so you can give the density for that particular temperature, the corrosion resistance, and everything you can just see over here. So I'm going to give you a simple example here, TIE 6A4V grade 5. So the source is MatWeb ASM datasheet, yield was this at this, and there are a lot of information. So yeah. For next, as you can see, we have done the most important thing. See, getting the sources is good, but doing actual calculation using the formulas and then actually predicting it will be very important. So that's one of the best part. We have also done the calculation part for each material for the conditions and for the requirement the users ask for. You can just see allowable stress and the allowable thickness, and to get what is the required thickness and what is there, all these stuff. And the best part about this agent is I love it that it's give lot of information. It's give summary, to-dos, calculation, and the next, this is ranking and interpretation. So it's give performance, manufacturing and sustainability cost, will it be really good? Like here, best for meeting with minimal thickness, that is Inconel 17. Lightweight will be titanium. So you can just see which type of material you need for your conditions. And also we have key warnings, safety and uncertainty, you can see over here. So it will give you what are the things that you need to avoid and what are the best practices, and it's give you practical recommendation. Yeah, that's very important, practical recommendation. And it's very concise, so you don't have to read thousands of lines. In a very short, you will get a lot of information that is very sharp, very predictive, and very ground source from all the verified sources that we have. So over here you can see practical recommendation, concise. Like over here you can see, if keeping 5mm wall and safety critical, under this you will get this performance. So yeah, and it's also recommending you like what are the next steps you can do, like request supplier mill certificate for candidate allowing showing 0.2% yield at 200 degree. So you can just see how good this agent is thinking like its own mind. It's asking you, it's actually doing a lot of searches. It's not doing a single search, it's gonna do multiple search in database and web. It's going to compare what you actually need, and what we have done in our agent is to give you the best thing, best output that will contain all this thing in this proper format. So you can just go there, read it. You don't have to do searches for multiple websites, read each and everything. You can just rely on our agent. Thank you for listening. My name is Kaushik. Have a good bye.